In this video, I'll show you how to hide the review date in Loox reviews on your Shopify store in under 5 minutes, giving your product pages a cleaner and more timeless look. Start by opening your browser and logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're inside the dashboard, head to the Apps section and click on the Loox app to open its settings panel. Inside Loox, look for the Reviews widget or Widget Settings area. This is where you control how reviews appear on your store. Select the specific review widget you're currently using on your product pages. After opening the widget settings, scroll until you find the option related to showing the review date. You'll see a toggle or visibility setting labeled something like Show Review Date. Simply switch this option off so the date is hidden from customers. Once you've made the change, don't forget to save your settings. This step is important, otherwise the update won't apply. After saving, visit one of your product pages and refresh it to confirm the review dates are no longer visible. That's it. You've successfully hidden the dates on your Loox reviews, giving your store a cleaner and more professional review layout.